Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I will design a website of a co-working space. So I primarily designed the UX of the website, and before I dive into the solution, I want to discuss what was the exact problem statement and why design was needed here. So there will be a second part of this project where I will discuss how to build the case study of this particular project. CoWorks is a sister company of RMZ Group and one of the largest co-working space provider in India. If you are in Bangalore, then you must have seen few buildings of CoWorks in EcoWorld Bellandur, Residency Road or Indiranagar. In terms of value proposition, working for co-working space have certain advantages like inbuilt office space, low mortgage and lock-ins. There is no problem if you actually want to expand your office and also access to a vibrant community. So all these value proposition and more are provided by CoWorks. In terms of value proposition, the first is the client want me to reflect all of this in their website. Second, they want customer to book the space through the different offering like day pass, event space or launch membership, etc. CoWorks have a really cool space and they wanted their website to reflect that. So I actually provided with the UX of the website, and I also provided a rough wireframes of the project. Since they were going through a lot of rebranding at that point, providing UI didn't make a lot of sense to me. Still now, if you look at their website, the UX actually remains the same. So before I jump into the problem, the first step for me is to do knowledge gathering and research. I had multiple meetings with the stakeholders and also visited their multiple sites to see how co-working space actually work. I have also done exercise like card sorting with the stakeholders to understand what kind of navigation they were looking at. If you have watched the video till this point of time, kindly subscribe to my channel since I've just started YouTube. This will help me to grow the channel. Also, I know I'm briefly touching upon very key important concepts like information architect or card sorting. But if you guys want me to do a detailed video, please let me know in the comments below. Okay, let's move on to the IE. IE is divided into 5 sections, that is home, location, city, centered, solution and contact us. There are other sections, but I looked into all these main sections only. So let's start with home. Homepage is one of the most important part of the website where customer generally lands and they give the impression of the entire company. It's divided into solutions, why choose CoWorks, news, update, client logos, contact us and footer. Location is divided into 2 things, city and centers. City is kind of self-explanatory and centers are the place inside the city they are located. In every city there are multiple centers. Then I listed down the information for solution and contact us. Once I'm done with the IA, I actually provide them with a rough visual design according to the branding they have at that point of time. The website used serif font for the headings and sans serif for the body copy. The colors were part of the brand guidelines which represent trust. And photography was also provided by the CoWorks. The designs were made for both web and mobile. The general rule for grid in desktop is 1160 with 20 pixel gutter space, and for mobile is 320 pixel. So in this case, 1160 is the maximum width and 320 is the 1x, that is the minimum width in mobile. If you want me to make detailed video of the grids, please let me know in the comments below. Then I designed the navigation and rest of the section of the website. After the visual design was done, I also provided the prototype. I always love providing the prototype since it helps immensely in the development process. The company had gone through few rebranding after my work, but the UX of the product still remains the same. I had a lot of fun while working in this project, and please let me know in the comments below what kind of projects you are working on and what kind of challenges you are facing with the freelance client. Please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.